got multiple surahs and multiple chapters where this kind of a structure is demonstrated over and over again, and other kinds of structures are like, this is not possible for a human being to do. Linguistically, it's not possible. I'm a student of linguistics. It's just not possible. These kinds of structures. This just to take a step back level, my invitation to anybody is put your preconceived notions aside. Take what you may have heard about Islam, what you may have thought about it from your own faith tradition's point of view. Put all of that aside. And I wouldn't even invite somebody to read the Quran to accept Islam.
I'm going to read that book as well, because it was really interesting what you were saying. It was really interesting what you were saying.
After the show, I'd like to send you a copy as a gift.
And also, your invitation is exactly the way I would have done it anyway. I would have read it. I'm going to read it. I've yet to read the Quran, but it's certainly something I'm going to do. I'm going to read it without a preconceived notion, without a preconceived idea. And I think that's the best way to do things, because you're right. There's too much bias in the world. But from what I know, I think we just talked about for the last hour. From what I know, I have absolute respect for the religion and respect for the faith. And